guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy almost Valentine's Day, first of all. That is the theme of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is a very quick video that I had to pull together just because they called me, my family called me, and they're like, hey, we're going to the movies. It starts in 20 minutes. Do you want to come? I was like, I'm in the middle of filming. I'm going. Ah! So right after this, that's where I'm gonna go. This video was inspired a little bit by chocolate covered strawberries. So that's kind of what inspired me. The lip that I'm actually wearing, it's this little Tarte's lip paint. It's the one that comes in these. I don't know the shade. If I find it, I will put it down in the description box below for you guys. I feel like it's just such a perfect shade with this kind of look. And yeah. By the way, the eyelashes that I'm wearing are in Queen from MissFab Beauty Lashes. These lashes, I feel like they've been the easiest eyelashes I've had to deal with, and they're super, super, super gorgeous. So yeah, her link will actually be down in the description box below, and you guys can also follow her on Instagram. They're really great eyelashes. Go check them out when you guys can, and go support. Without further ado, I will shut up, go to the movies, and let you guys continue watching this video. Alright guys, so you're super zoomed in, and I'm gonna go ahead and start on the eye look. This is very much a Valentine's Day look, so I'm excited to share with you guys. To prime my eyes, I'm using the NARS concealer, the one that comes in a little thing, like the MAC Paint or Paint Pop, but in the concealer form. I'm going to use this Marc Jacobs Trio. Apply the lightest shade up on my brow bone and in my inner corner, just to go ahead and add a bright color. Next, I'm grabbing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and applying the shade Tempera all over my eyelids to just set everything, the whole concealer. Now for my transition shade, I'm going to actually use a yellow shade, and I'm going in with the Prism palette from Anastasia in the shade Unity. Grabbing a Morphe blending brush, I'm applying it just to my crease and get that really nice blend. To start off with the colors, I'm going back in with the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette and using the shade Bueno Fresco and their actual brush that it comes with it. I'm going to apply it all on my crease and blend it in with that Unity shade. Now to add one of the biggest pops, or the first pop, I will actually use Love Letter, still using the brush just on the other end. That's kind of fluffy but flat. I'm going to grab that Love Letter shade and just apply it on the crease. Legit where it blends in there, in that area, just right there. That's where I'll apply it. And I'll concentrate it more on the outer corner of my eye just to give it that dimension. And we're going to bring more light still into the inner parts of our face. And what I'm doing at the end is I'm just kind of fluffing it out a little bit. Not closing it in exactly. What I'm going to do is I'm going in with concealer and just clean up any areas. For example, this, I brought it way too down over here. So I'm going to clean that up and clean it up and prepare it because we're going to use some shimmers and it's going to be fun. It's going to be great. I love using concealers because it cleans up your eyes so much better and faster, and you can use it if you mess up, for example in my case. Now we're going to jump into the glitter, so I'm excited. The glitter I'm using is this NYX Cosmetics one, and then the glue that I'm using is this Urban Decay Bondage glitter glue, and I'm just going, my fingers, I'm going to apply some on the brush, apply it on my eyelid, and then apply some of the glitter. Now, glitter can be super messy, and if you're the type of people or the type of person that doesn't like glitter, totally understand you, hence mind all of the glitter on my face. But Stila also has some bomb glittered eyeshadows that aren't messy, so you should try those out. I don't have the money to go buy them, but I know and I've heard that they're super good, so go check them out if you don't want to use glitter. NYX glitter is very cheap. Not very cheap, but cheaper, and it's something that I already have, so that's why I used it. Now, to add a pop to this, I'm going to be lining my eyes with a black eyeliner, and then I'm also going to line my eyes with a white eyeliner on the top, and I'll show you guys how I do that. I kind of just got an inspiration of chocolate covered strawberries in a way, so that's my goal. For the white eyeliner, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible Paint Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply it in here. For eyelashes, I'm using Miss Beauty Fab eyelashes in Queen, and they look like this. They're so cute. I really, really love her eyelashes, so I'll use those. These are probably by far like the easiest eyelashes I've had to put on ever. Like, they're so easy to put on. I love it. I'm going in with Love Letter and applying this right underneath my eye. Alright, I'm gonna go finish all the rest of my makeup, and I will see you guys on the next clip. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe so that way you don't miss any future videos, and make sure to put the little notification bell. That way you're notified as of when I actually upload. If you would like to recreate this look, feel free to do so and tag me on your pictures. I would love to see what you come up with and what your Valentine's Day will look like, or Valentine's Day look will look like. I will talk to you guys all on my next video, and have a great day, night, whatever it is. I love you guys. Bye.